The Smoothie Diet is a revolutionary 21-day weight loss program designed to help you shed unwanted pounds, boost your energy levels, and improve your overall health. Created by health coach Drew Segudas, this program focuses on replacing 2 meals a day with delicious, nutrient-packed smoothies while encouraging a balanced, whole food dinner. The diet is perfect for busy individuals who want a simple, effective, and sustainable way to achieve their weight loss goals without sacrificing taste.
The Smoothie Diet is structured around a 21-day plan that includes pre-designed smoothie recipes, shopping lists, and a step-by-step guide to make the process as easy as possible. Each smoothie is carefully crafted to provide the right balance of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein to keep you full and energized throughout the day. By replacing high-calorie, processed meals with these smoothies, you naturally reduce your calorie intake while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. The program also includes tips for maintaining long-term healthy eating habits, ensuring that your weight loss results are sustainable. One of the standout features of the Smoothie Diet is its ability to deliver quick and noticeable results. Many users report losing up to 10 to 15 pounds within the first 3 weeks, along with improved digestion, clearer skin, and increased energy levels. The diet is also incredibly flexible, allowing you to customize the smoothies to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or have specific food allergies, the Smoothie Diet can be tailored to fit your lifestyle. Additionally, the program emphasizes whole, natural ingredients, making it a healthier alternative to fad diets or restrictive meal plans. Unlike other weight loss programs that require expensive supplements or complicated meal plans, the Smoothie Diet is affordable, straightforward, and easy to follow. The program is delivered digitally, so you can access it anytime, anywhere, and start your journey immediately. Drew Segudas, the creator, also provides ongoing support through email coaching and a private Facebook community, ensuring you stay motivated and on track. With its focus on simplicity, nutrition, and sustainability, the Smoothie Diet is more than just a weight loss program. It's a lifestyle change that can transform your health and well-being. If you're ready to take control of your health and achieve your weight loss goals, the Smoothie Diet is the perfect solution. With its delicious recipes, easy-to-follow plan, and proven results, this program offers everything you need to succeed. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to a healthier, happier you with the Smoothie Diet. Thanks for watching.